All right. What we got here today?
The Methodist Hospital spicy chicken sandwich review. It's orange.
Take a bite, buddy.
Ooh, it's spongy.
It's a really soft bun.
Noah, I'm sorry if you're watching this,
I,
buddy. This is happening while you're in the
I had
back.
to ask for napkins because, the plate in the microwave was nasty.
What do you have to say on this chicken sandwich, Keegan?
Man, bro. I'd rather not eat for the rest of my life.
But as Keegan also said, we're in a hospital.
Because I need to be hospitalized after eating this one, boys.
Why is the color like that?
Solid review, 2 out of 10.
2 out of 10.
As I keep eating it.
Must be that good to be 2 out of 10.
Yummy.